Hey, I'm gonna try to do a quick video for y'all on how to change wiper blades on my 2002 F-150. Wind's blowing kind of hard, but maybe y'all can hear me. Oh, hey. So we got a new wiper blade. This one, no good. They just clip right here. So y'all see it? So they clip, push it in. And so I can't quite get it with one hand. Alright, we're having a little difficulty here. Hold tight. Alright, I push my clip down, push in, and that'll slide down. These have probably never been changed before because the truck ain't got but 138,000 miles on it. Well, they're ANX, maybe they have. See the way this is made right here? And of course you can go to your parts store. They'll probably change these for you, but if you don't feel like it, twist, slide it in the hole, and up. Ta-da! Locked in place. Make sure it is locked in place. You don't want to come off going down the road. On some of these, they have a pin. You'll see there's a pin right there. Little clip. It'll pop up off of the pin and then back down and clip into place. It's rainy season where I'm at, so time to change it. Thank you for watching. Stick around.